Hello my beautiful people, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna review Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in the shade I Will Be Black. So this is the product. Without any further ado, let's get started with the detailed version of this product. Now, Sugar Cosmetics launched this product in March 2020. I got this liner before I left Bangalore, that was just before lockdown, and I have tried it a couple of times. It retails for 499 rupees for 1.6 ml of product, which is a fair deal. This is in a pen form. Let me show you the applicator. It has an amazing felt tip applicator which allows you to have control on the eyeliner that you're drawing, which is the best part. I love the applicator of this eyeliner. This is highly pigmented and it's dark black when it dries. You can see my eyes right now, it's very dark, it's black. I have used this on my eyes today. This is not matte, it dries down semi matte, and I am not a big fan of those liners which dries down matte, so this is fine for me totally. And I love the way this dries down, and I love the way this stays on my eyes, because this is a liner which has stayed on my eyes for more than 12 hours. So I purchased this liner before leaving Bangalore. My journey from Bangalore till my hometown was covered by air and by road for about 12 plus hours, and this liner was there all along on my eyes. I can show you some pictures from my journey that I have clicked. I'm going to show you now. This is smudge proof, transfer proof and waterproof. I have tested, I have seen. I love the way it stays on eyes. It's available on Nykaa and Sugar Cosmetics website, and Nykaa online and Sugar stores also. You can take off this liner with a micellar water, makeup remover or coconut oil, or even if you're using face wash directly, which you should not. You should always clean your makeup, remove your makeup and then wash your face. So even if you wash your face with a face wash, whatever you're using, you can take this off. It goes off with the face wash. But if you're splashing water on your face, this does not go, this does not smudge, this does not crease on eyes, and this stays all along. Let's see what Sugar has to say about this product. Strikingly intense, long lasting and water resistant, weightless, high precision formula that glides effortlessly to shape intense flecks and wings. Enriched with high purity carbon black, this water resistant eyeliner guarantees superior color payoff with a finish that stays perfectly in place for long lasting flawless finish. And I agree to each of the points that Sugar has spoken about this product. So this product is vegan, this is cruelty free, this is dermatologically tested, and it is the best part about the products from Sugar Cosmetics, and I love that about Sugar. Just let me tell you guys that I have super duper oily eyelids, and most of the eyeliners do not last on my eyelids because they are super duper oily, and the eyeliners settle here, the color comes here on my crease. This did not. So that was my short review on Wingman Waterproof Micro Eyeliner by Sugar Cosmetics. I hope you liked it as much as I did while filming it. If you did, please hit a big fat thumbs up for my video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video, guys. Bye bye.